Hi, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I am a little late in posting this, but I do have my Artsnacks box for May. I've been away on vacation. It was a wonderful vacation. I am fortunate enough to have a daughter that lives in Hawaii, so that's where I was. So I did watch Roxy and do her unboxing and her project, and it was wonderful, just wonderful. She did a mixed media page. So I kind of remember what's in here. I just don't know what colors I have. Ooh. Alright, so the first thing is an art spray. And I am familiar with art sprays. This retails for $5.99. The sprays are expensive. And it is very nice of Artsnacks to put this in a Ziploc bag. I am a little afraid to use this because I have on my pretty work clothes. So I removed a page from my mixed media pad. And actually, yeah, there's balls in there. Little mixer, so you want to give it a shape. You can't see me, but I just put a bib on. I want to protect my clothes. Give this a spray. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, so it looks like I didn't spray anything that didn't deserve a spray. With this, you can hold up your page and spritz it heavy, and then it'll travel. And another thing you can do is, if you spritz it heavy, it'll travel down, and then spray some water on it, and then you'll get interesting results. See how it's going down? And if I spray some more over here, I can get it dripping elsewhere too. So this is nice, and it is a beautiful color. Just beautiful. And this color is raspberry. Now I'm going to tell you that when you're done using this, you need to, and I happen to have water here, just need to like rinse off that spritzing part so that it doesn't get clogged. That is the best thing to do, is right after you're using it, rinse it off and put your cover on. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can just take and blot this, and you'll get a different effect. The next thing that is in the box is a Faber-Castell water brush. So how do we fill it up? Cap is ideal for scratching and scraping. Oh, look at that. If you had a surface on here, you could scrape into it. And this one you would pour the water into. So you know how a watercolor brush works. It feels good. It feels very good. And now in the package. So inside the package I have these are called gelatos, and they're from Faber-Castell, however you want to say it. And I work with these all the time, and I got two great colors. Snow cone, which is like, my favorite color is like a turquoise. And then this one is called, it's sort of a fleshy color, and it's called guava. I'm not going to open these right now, but I will show you them when I do my project. And then we have a violet Spectra marker. So if you hold it straight up and down, you get one thickness. You can come on the very tip, and this is a good calligraphy pen. So that's one side, and the other side is a bullet, and this has a lot of give. So this one, press down, you get thick, and if you say on the tip, you'll get nice and thin. And now I can try the water brush and see if this moves. You know what? It doesn't move. I would have put my money on movement, but it doesn't. Well, all right. Oh, look at that. Smarties. And the last thing, well, not the last thing, and then we have the official sticker. I have a bunch of these. I need to put them, I need to make a final decision on my book, which one I'm going to use, and then just start to decorate it. And I can put all of my stickers on the front. I can decorate this. I can give this a coat of gesso. It'll be white, and then I can go to town. Samples of paper. So, they're a gray, a black, and a tan, or cardboard color. It's a sample pack. So when you buy this in the full size, it does come as a trio in a sketchbook, so artists can experiment and compare. So I like everything in here. You're gonna love this, really. And the gelatos. I think I am going to kind of do a page where I call it scrapbooking meets altered art. I have some pictures that I took on my vacation, and these colors are great for a background. So I shall be back with a project. Thank you for joining me. You take care. Bye-bye.